If you haven't mastered your Mexican rice yet, this recipe is for you. Alright guys, so for this recipe we're only going to need a few basic ingredients. We need 1.5 cups of white rice, 3 Roma tomatoes, a small piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 chile jalapeño, our spices, and a handful of cilantro. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by rinsing our rice. So use a strainer and just rinse it under cold water. And you just want to rinse it for a few seconds. Now we're just going to turn it off and allow our rice to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, my rice is dry. So now we can get ready to make our tomato broth. To the blender, we're going to add our 3 Roma tomatoes cut in half, a piece of onion, garlic clove, along with our spices, and 2.25 cups of water. Now just blend it smooth, okay? And now that we have that, we can get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, so here we're going to set our pan over medium-high heat, and we're going to heat up our oil. Just add enough oil to cover the bottom of your pan. Okay, once our oil is nice and hot, add the rice. And here we're going to toast it for about 5 minutes or until it's nice and golden. Okay, after 5 minutes, our rice should be nice and golden. Now here I like to add 1 jalapeno and just create a little slit. Just kind of toast it for a couple minutes. Okay, and at this point, my rice is ready. So now we're going to get ready to add our tomato broth. And just add it slowly. Okay, now just mix it and allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. Here I also like to add a little cilantro. Okay, now we're just going to cover it, reduce the heat to the lowest setting, and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. Okay, after 25 minutes, all of the liquid should have evaporated. So of course, make sure that you check it. Oh, and look at that, it's already nice and fluffy. And now we're just going to turn it off and allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. So now we're just going to open our rice. And here I'm going to remove the cilantro. Okay, now we're just going to fluff our rice. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Let me tell you that this right here is seriously fluffy, moist, and just perfect every single time. So cheers and enjoy. The best. So good.